and Sina, and ni and nina. Let's start. Si and Sina. So these are personal topic markers. They are used to indicate that the name of a person is the focus of the sentence. I had a lesson before about ang, and we talked about that ang is a topic marker. However, it doesn't mark a person's name. So si and Sina's job is to mark a person's name. So it is placed before the name or names. And Si is for singular name and Sina is for plural names. So let's start with Si. I'll give you some example sentences. Ako si Yen. Ako si Yen. I'm Yen. Doktor si Jay. Doktor si Jay. Jay is a doctor. Si Juan ay masipag magtrabaho. Si Juan ay masipag magtrabaho. John works diligently. A more common sentence pattern would be masipag magtrabaho si Juan. Masipag magtrabaho si Juan. John works diligently. Another one, si Ana ang nagluto ng hapunan. Si Ana ang nagluto ng hapunan. Anna is the one who cooked dinner. The next one is Sina. So Sina is the plural form. That means that you are marking two or more people. So for example, sina Elsa at Ana ay magkaibigan. Sina Elsa at Ana ay magkaibigan. Elsa and Anna are friends. Another one, magkasintahan sina Peter at Mary Jane. Peter and Mary Jane are lovers. Magkasintahan. We have a slang that we usually say nowadays, and that is magjowa. Magjowa. It means lovers or in a romantic relationship. So you can also say to your girlfriend or your boyfriend that magjowa tayo. We are lovers. Magjowa tayo. Kasama ko sina Patrick at Sandy. Kasama ko sina Patrick at Sandy. I'm with Patrick and Sandy. Let's go to ni and nina. Ni and nina are non-focus markers. So they mark personal names like similar to si and sina, but they only mark names that are not the focus of the sentence. So another one is they are also possessive markers. The noun after ni is the possessor or the owner, and the nouns after nina are the possessors or owners. So it's a little bit equivalent to of in English. So for example, sapatos ni Carlo, shoes of Carlo or Carlo's shoes, coche ni Harry, car of Harry, Harry's car, libro ni Lisa, book of Lisa or Lisa's books. Another one using Nina, pagkain Nina John at Paul, food of John and Paul or John and Paul's food. And the last one, ni and Nina are the actor or doer marker of a non-focus noun. It's almost equivalent to buy in English. I'll give you an example. Inihaw ni Robert ang baboy. Inihaw ni Robert ang baboy. The pork was grilled by Robert. So we are talking about the pork, right? And who grilled the pork? It was Robert. The pork is the focus of the sentence and not Robert. And just the same with si and sina, ni is for singular and nina is for plural. We have the first one, ni. So the first sentence is kilala ako ni Michael. Kilala ako ni Michael. Michael knows me. Kinain ni Dora ang tinapay ko. Kinain ni Dora ang tinapay ko. My bread was eaten by Dora. Kapatid siya ni Lolo Jose. Kapatid siya ni Lolo Jose. He is a sibling of Grandpa Joseph. Hiniram ni Daria ang libro ko. Hiniram ni Daria ang libro ko. My book was borrowed by Daria. And the last one is Nina. So the sentence is, dinalaw ako nina Jasmine at Cinderella sa ospital. Dinalaw ako nina Jasmine at Cinderella sa ospital. I was visited by Jasmine and Cinderella in the hospital. Binili nina Mama at Papa ang bagong sasakyan. Binili ni Mama at Papa ang bagong sasakyan. The new car was bought by Mom and Dad. Sometimes it can also mark common nouns like Mama and Papa. Another sentence is, natulog ako sa bahay ni na Tita Joy. Natulog ako sa bahay ni na Tita Joy. I slept at Aunt Joy's house. Nilaga ni na Kai at Sehun ang itlog. Nilaga ni na Kai at Sehun ang itlog. Kai and Sehun boiled the egg. Now it's quiz time. So I want you to fill in the blanks. Is it si or ni? Ako, blank, Yen. I'm Yen. So I'll give you 10 seconds to think first, okay? Timer starts now. Alright, time's up. The answer is C. Ako si Yen. Ako si Yen. I'm Yen. Another one, kapatid siya, blank, Lolo Jose. He is a sibling of Grandpa Jose. I'll give you 10 seconds. Timer starts now. Okay, time's up. The answer is ni. Kapatid siya ni Lolo Jose. He is a sibling of Grandpa Joseph. Another one, masipag magtrabaho, blank Juan. John works diligently. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds. Timer starts now. Okay, time's up. The answer is C. Masipag magtrabaho si Juan. John works diligently. Okay, let's go to the next one. Nilaga, blank, Kai at Sehun ang itlog. The egg was boiled by Kai and Sehun. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds. Timer starts now. Okay, time's up. The answer is Nina. Nilaga, ninakay at Sehun ang itlog. And the next one is blank. Elsa at Anna ay magkaibigan. Elsa and Anna are friends. Okay, 10 seconds. Starts now. Okay, time's up. The answer is Sina. Sina Elsa at Anna ay magkaibigan. Very good. And the last one, magkasintahan, blank, Peter at Mary Jane. Peter and Mary Jane are lovers. So I'll give you time. Timer starts now. Okay, time's up. The answer is Sina. Magkasintahan, Sina, Peter at Mary Jane. Peter and Mary Jane are lovers. I have a question for you. Who is your favorite singer? Answer it in this pattern. Ang paborito kong singer ay si blank. My favorite singer is blank. So my example is, ang paborito kong singer ay si Moira. And that's all for this lesson. For more Tagalog lessons like this, please subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media accounts. And also, don't forget to leave your comment, okay? Thank you. Bye.